okay. It's not just me who's had a bad start to the day. There was an accident somewhere nearby, and I jumped a signal by mistake. I took a left when the left signal was not on, and I got a challan. Yeah, I'll pay it later. Now I need to go to the office. Oh, am I recording? Yeah, I am recording. So, hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is the Motor Nerd, and I'm on my way to the office. And even before I started my camera, there has been a lot of drama. Yeah, I'll have to be careful about the signal here in Marol now. Yeah, I didn't notice the left was not on, the left signal, and I broke the signal. Yeah. Lesson learned, and the fine is of 1500 rupees is what she told me. It's going to be a pain to pay that, but I made a mistake. I have to accept it. There was no point arguing. So Monday morning, so everyone's heading back to office. I don't feel like going to the office, but sadly I have to. And after what happened in the morning, it's become a bit frustrating as well. I think it's a good thing as well. I have to be careful about jumping signals in Mumbai. I mean, I shouldn't do it at all, and nobody should do it as well. So going forward, I'll be extra vigilant about this thing. Challan kind of ruined my morning. I don't feel like talking now. Let me gather my senses back, and then I'll start talking. Going to the office on a Monday after 2 days of break on the weekend is like really difficult. I feel like I've seen that guy earlier on this road. Yeah, I think in one of my older videos I saw that Himalayan. I'll be heading to office like I am. Bobber. Very nice looking bike. It must be very uncomfortable as well. Everyone's following lane discipline today. I don't know. Feels like I'm in a different city. People usually don't follow traffic rules as much in Mumbai. Like in areas where okay, I think there's traffic police everywhere now. Yeah, the elections are coming up in Mumbai. It's on the 15th of this week. That's a Thursday. Maybe that's why we are seeing a lot more police activity on the roads. Such a nice looking bike. Java, YSD, they have some really good looking bikes. If only they worked on their reliability and service networks and all those things, they would sell really well. Into yeah, this is something you shouldn't be doing. I mean, honking your way through traffic and driving like a snake.
Wow.
People are always in a hurry on Mumbai roads, or maybe across India that's the same thing that's happening, but everyone is racing wherever they want to go. If they want to be there first, that's kind of what it looks like. but it's actually the city that turns you that way. Like it's a fast-paced city, and getting to one place takes a lot of time. So you become used to that mentality of rushing to wherever you want to go. You won't be saving a lot of time doing all these things, so please don't do it. Like, you can be patient and ride on the roads. And you need to be in a good headspace as well while riding. Never ride when you're angry, pissed, or all those things. When you get too emotional, you tend to make mistakes while riding. So yeah, enjoy your ride, but don't get carried away. This is something that people shouldn't do. If the footpath is all good, then you should always take that to walk. Don't walk on the roads. I hope there's not much traffic on the road ahead. I mean, last 2 times I've been here, there was a good amount of traffic on the road connecting to Hiranandani. Let's see. So many traffic policemen everywhere. I was one of their victims today. This was the road that I was talking about. It's a very short lane connecting to Hiranandani. So there's usually, there is little traffic all the time here, but it has increased the last few days. Meteor 350. Oh, it's from Gujarat. The handle looks a little uncomfortable to me. I don't know. If there are Meteor riders watching this video, maybe you can let me know if that really is uncomfortable, or does it improve the stance of the rider. It's getting hot in the days in Mumbai now. Winter is getting over, and whatever winter we have here, can't really call it a proper winter as well. But the weather has been pleasant. This is the only time when Mumbai is actually bearable. Mumbai weather. It's 10:18 a.m. Did I carry everything that I needed for office? Okay, I have. I don't feel like working at all nowadays, especially after the break that I had during Christmas and New Year's. I think I've seen like 4 or 5 traffic police today. That is unusual. I hope there's not much traffic when I'm heading back home. Oh, there's another police guy there. Okay, I'll stop recording for now, and then maybe on the way back I'll see you. So, hello everyone, and welcome back. I'm on my way back home, and there's not much battery left, so I'll record till the camera runs. Only about 12% battery left. What is with BMC and digging up, and it's happening everywhere. What are they trying to do? I don't know. Anyways, a lot of bad things happening since morning. Something or the other is going wrong. My headphone was not connecting to my laptop for some reason. I looked for a service center and everything, and after restarting, it started working again. I have no idea. Like before that, I had restarted my laptop for like 2 times. It didn't work out, but yeah, now it's working fine. And I wasted like half an hour on that in the office. I don't know. Today is a day when everything is like going wrong. Okay. The recording is going to stop before I reach home for sure, because there's a lot of traffic today. Thanks to BMC. Wondering whether I should go from the JVLR side today. There's too much traffic. Or is it the road that I've taken? Maybe it's because of all those school buses there. The roads are jammed. This is what. You're all very impatient in Mumbai. What did you achieve by going there? And guy was thought there's a road from there because there was a bike coming in, but he was asked to leave. And are there exams going on or something? Never travel when students are leaving school or when they are heading back.